Hey guys, this is John. We got a factory 2020 Explorer ST that I'm going to show you a data log on. Red is RPM, green is speed, blue is charge air temperature, yellow is manifold charge temperature. And we're going to show you how quickly these bone stock intercoolers heat soak. You'll notice it's considerable 40-50 degree jump and one pull. I'm going to actually fast forward here and let it cool down a little bit, try to recover, and we're going to do another quick pull, and you'll see it doesn't get any better. It just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. Basically, it's showing that this charge air cooler, or intercooler as some people like to call them, is just not sized correctly for this application. This isn't even taken into account. Some people want to turn the tunes up, and then we really fall into an issue of huge charge air temperatures. You'll notice this one almost doubles the ambient, which is currently 93 degrees during these pulls. We're going to install a Whipple intercooler and see how much better these data logs look after that.